Hi everyone, and welcome to Autodesk PowerMill. So I hope you will find and you know that we have completed the module number 6, which is all about the toolpath simulation. And in this module, we briefly discuss about the advanced simulation features. We have discussed about the error and collision detection using the gauges and collision verification toolpath method. And also, in the last, we discussed about part inspection method, in which we use the probe method for inspection tool strategy. So right now it's time to check your knowledge. So here we have the assignment for module number 6, which is just looks like that. So it's a part which is named as die.tgk file, and what you have to do is here on these sections, you have to follow it. So on module number 6, for toolpath simulation, what you have to do is you have to apply the roughing and finishing toolpath strategy for the given model, and the given model named as die.tgk into Autodesk PowerMill. Then what you have to do is you have to verify the toolbar for gauges and collision in the toolpath strategy. And in the last, you have to verify the toolpath using the PowerMill simulation. So that's it for the assignment number 6, for video number 6, toolpath simulation. I hope you understand all these instructions. That's it for the module number 6. Best of luck. And thank you.